Hello and welcome back. Are you ready for a glimpse into Lesson 8 of our transformative course, ChatGPT for Credit Repair Business Owners? Well, in this preview, we're plunging into the crucial realm of ethical practices and legal compliance, a maze that can often feel just completely overwhelming. Now, in the world of credit repair, legal missteps can lead to significant consequences. The stakes are really high and the complexity can be daunting. But don't worry, Lesson 8 is here to guide you through understanding the credit repair laws, simplifying legal complexities so you can navigate through all of them with confidence. It'll help you comply, it'll help you embrace transparency and accuracy with your clients. It'll show you how to craft legally compliant contracts and ensure data protection. You know, all of these insights are just really a sneak peek of what awaits you in Lesson 8. Where you're going to discover the strategies to operate your credit repair business with legal integrity and confidence. So stay with us on this exciting journey with ChatGPT for credit repair. Up next is lesson number 9 preview. It's packed with tools for data analysis and all of your letter success. We'll see you on the inside.